So, is the rumor true
What rumor?
that you're leaving the company?
Where did you hear that?
Everyone is talking about it.
Excuse me for a minute. I need to go to the restroom.
How's the presentation going?
Good.
Can you give us some information about it?
I don't have time. I need to make a phone call.
Okay. You look like you're in a hurry.
It's important. I can't wait.
I went to a networking event yesterday.
Did you meet a lot of people?
Yes, there were recruiters from many companies.
Were they helpful?
Yes, they were generous with their time. They gave us all really good advice.
That's great to hear. Networking can be scary.
I think I made a mistake last night.
What did you do?
I met a recruiter at an event, and she thinks I asked her out on a date.
Why does she think that?
I asked for her phone number and if she was available for lunch.
You didn't make yourself very clear. You need to act more professional.
Hi, I'm Peter, the customer service manager.
Hi, Peter. I'm Ted, the manager of the IT department.
Nice to meet you, Ted. I think I spoke with you on the phone last week.
You're right. There was an issue with your computer.
Yes, that was it. Thanks for fixing the problem quickly.
No problem. You can call my office anytime if you have any technical issues.
Is that the CEO of the company?
Yes, he's talking to the vice president of the company.
I'm going to go introduce myself.
Are you crazy? They won't know you.
That's why I'm going to introduce myself.
Good luck.
I want to be a manager one day. This is one way to move up the ladder.
Okay, let me know how the conversation goes.
Why don't you come with me?
No thanks. I'm too nervous.
Sharon, I've been looking for you.
Is there a problem?
No, I need someone to pick up a client from the airport on Saturday.
I thought Greg was doing that.
He says he has to visit his parents this weekend.
He didn't mention that to me.
Are you busy this Saturday?
I'm sorry. I just got an urgent email. I need to reply immediately.
I see. I will talk to you later then.
I'll be busy meeting clients all day.
Hi, my name is Michael Lee. I'm a new employee here.
What do you do here, Michael?
I'm a sales executive. My boss is Susan Smith.
I'm Antonio Johnson, the general manager of the company.
I know, I was hoping to meet you.
Do you like sales, Michael?
Yes, sir. I am the best sales executive in my department.
Do you have a business card, Michael?
Yes, I do.
Let's have a lunch meeting sometime. We can discuss your future at this company.
Hi, Ryan. This is Bob Martinez. I just reviewed your resume.
That was quick.
Your resume is very impressive.
Thank you.
Would you be able to meet with me next week?
Yes, that would be great.
I would also like you to meet with our vice president.
Okay. What day is good for you?
I will be out of the office Monday and Tuesday. What about Wednesday at noon?
Wednesday at noon is perfect for me.
How is your first day at work going?
Good. I'm getting to know a lot of people in the office.
Have you met Larry? He's our technical support guy.
Yes, I had to call him about my computer.
Make sure you're nice to him. If he doesn't like you, he won't help you right away.
Good to know.
Our office goes out to lunch together every Tuesday. You should join us.
Okay. Jane mentioned that too.
Good. Well, let me know if you have any questions or concerns.
Thanks.
Did you meet a lot of people yesterday?
Yes, but I don't think I made a good first impression.
What happened?
I was trying to act too cool. I don't think they took me seriously.
Did you give them your business card?
I forgot them, so I wrote my contact info on napkins.
Oh, that's not very professional looking.
I know. What am I going to do?
Try to stay positive. Send them your resume. See what happens.
Okay, I'll attach a thank you note too.
Good idea.
A lot of young people gave me their business cards at the event yesterday.
Did you meet any with good potential?
It's hard to say. I told all of them to send me their resumes.
Do you think they will?
I've already received more than half.
You should really take time to read through them.
I know. I remember when I was young and looking for jobs.
Networking is hard, and it can be intimidating.
I fully understand what they're going through.
Be generous with your time. You may find a gem or two.
The economy is stronger. I think this is a good time to look for another job.
Do you have places to send your resume?
No, I don't. Companies in our industry only hire people that have connections.
Do you have any connections?
No, how do I meet people in the industry?
You have to get involved and attend events.
Isn't there a charity golf tournament coming up?
Yes, it's a big tournament with many companies participating.
Do you have any advice?
Talk to a lot of people and don't forget to take your business cards.
This job is going nowhere.
What do you want to do?
I need to expand my contacts and meet new people.
I think more companies are hiring now.
What's the best way to network?
Volunteer at organizations and attend the company events. You'll meet lots of people in the same industry.
Good idea.
I sent my resume to people that I met at the networking event.
Have you heard from any of them?
I only heard from one person, and he said they weren't hiring at this time.
What did they say to you at the event?
They all promised to review my resume and help me find a job.
I don't know why they make promises they can't keep.
How's work going?
Great.
I heard you were having some problems with the report.
Who did you hear that from?
Kevin,
No, everything is fine.
do you need any help?
Nope. Well, look at the time. I need to go now.
You just got here.
Yeah, I'm late for a meeting.
You gave a great presentation.
Thanks. I worked really hard on it.
I could tell. It was very detailed with lots of information.
I hope the CEO was impressed.
I think she was. I saw her smile a few times.
That's good to hear. It's scary to give a presentation in front of the head of the company.
Have you heard from Bill, the recruiter you met at the networking event?
No,
When did you send him your resume?
3 weeks ago.
Why don't you ask Bill if he received it?
I did. I sent him a follow-up email 1 week later.
Did he respond to that?
No,
Well, that's rude.
I know. Bill made many promises he didn't keep.
Hi, I'm Carl. I'm the new customer service manager for this region.
Welcome to the company, Carl. I'm Robert. I'm the head of operations.
I guess we will be working with each other.
Yes? Contact me if your customers have any technical issues.
Good to know. I'm looking forward to working with you.
Me too. Let's have a drink after work sometime.
Hi, Phil. This is Dan Connolly. We met at the company golf tournament last week.
Hi, Dan. Yes, I remember you. How can I help you?
I was wondering if you were still interested in looking at my resume.
Yes, of course I am. Please email it to me. Did I give you my business card?
Yes, you did. I will send it to you today.
Great. I look forward to receiving it.